see the ideal gas law, which is the PV is equal to nRT. So how we will derive, we will see well explained here. So the Boyles law is pressure which is inversely proportional to its temperature. So we can write it as volume is inversely proportional to its pressure, right? So the volume, we just rearranged the positions. So the volume is inversely proportional to its pressure, and the Charles law, which is written here, the volume is directly proportional to its temperature. The third one, the Avogadros law. Avogadros law, the volume is directly proportional to its number of moles of the gas. So we will combine these three gas laws. So when we are combining these three laws, we will get the volume is directly proportional to its the 1 by P and the number of moles and temperature. We just keeping the left side volume and we just combine the right side. So 1 by P, temperature and number of moles. We just combined these three equations here. So now we will end up with this cross multiplication. If you are having in the bottom and you will get in the top. So as per the cross multiplication, you will get PV is directly proportional to NT, the number of moles and temperature. So now if you are if you are putting equal, then you have to put a gas constant. So PV, which is equal to N or T. So the pressure of the gas, volume of the gas equal to the number of gas and gas constant into temperature. Thank you.